Now I will set up my static IP address. This is the diagram with my IP addresses for different machines. And during now my Linux Mint virtual machine with that is specially created to make tutorials. It was with the dynamic IP address, but I want to set some static IP address. For example, in the end must have suffix with dot 210, for example, because 208 and 209 will be reserved for another testing Debian server virtual machines. First step is to click over icon with the network connection. If you don't have this icon located on the taskbar, you can search it from the start menu for word network, and from here you can add new profile or just need to select first option. This is the one connection by wire, and you need to press over this gear icon, and from here on top IP version 4, we need to select from the drop down menu mode, and from here I will show you again my diagram. But my main router is with the IP address 1.1, and my group with the devices became from the range of .200. So for the Linux Mint I will set IP address with .210. And the net mask will be only the last option is set for 0, and for gateway means to point to the IP address of the router that give internet access to all devices. .1. For DNS I will leave this automatically, but if you have some kind of problems, you can use the free DNS server given from Google, and I think was 4.8. Okay, but I will delete it for now, and I think this is the all needed settings. And when you let me see if here is the OK button. You need to click over apply button, and now you can see that now we have internet connection. But to be 100% sure, I will open the terminal and test the internet connection with the following command: ping go.com. The ping command usually works like follow. She check if we have internet connection, and measure the time from my computer to the wanted destination. Usually this take some milliseconds. Google.com. Okay, let's try with another IP address or domain name. Okay, not working. Now I will modify the profile and I'm gonna set DNS from Google, because sometimes internet providers have problems with their DNS servers. Come on, where is this button? Okay, apply. Another check. We still don't have internet. Interesting. I will rename from identity tab name for this internet connection to be 1 IP 1.210. Okay. Bye. Oh, I forgot to deactivate checkbox for the DNS. You need to you need to execute or turn off this automatic checkbox, because when you write the DNS server for Google, interface don't detect these inserts and still using automatic DNS. So I think that was the problem. Let me check again. No, internet. Okay, the next approach for this problem is to make a restart, or just turn off, wait around 5 seconds or more, and then turn on again. Yeah, now we have internet. Another option to check do we have internet is to open just some browser, Google Chrome, Firefox, or whatever you have, and try to refresh some web page. Again, google.com, and now we have google.com. Thank you for watching.